Okay, in section 2.3, number 7, we have Jeannie's scores on her first 4 tests were 80, 65, 87, and then 75. Okay, so those are her 4 test grades. What will she have to score on her next test to obtain an average of at least 80 for the term? So we want her average to be at least 80, so it means the average needs to be greater than or equal to 80. So and she's got one more test to take for the term. So let's call that test grade X. Well, how would you average these? Well, you'd have to add them all up and then divide by the number of grades, and there's 5 grades. So we're going to add them all up and divide by 5. Let me kind of put the 5 down here. And we would say 80 plus 65 plus 87 plus 75 plus X is greater than or equal to 80. Okay, so if you add all that up, you get 307 plus X over 5 is greater than or equal to 80. Okay, that's what I was doing on this side. I just cut the video off to do it so it wouldn't take up so much time. You use your calculator also. Alright, so if I want to solve for X, usually, the thing about this is on top of a fraction, isn't it? So to get down to it, let's get rid of our denominator first. Let's get rid of the denominator. The opposite of dividing by 5 is multiplying by 5. So we get 307 plus X is greater than or equal to 400. Okay, so to solve for X now, we could subtract 307 from both sides. And we get X is greater than or equal to 400 minus 307 would be 93. She wants to make an average, an 80 as her average, and that's the smallest number she wants to get. It's got to be at least 80. She needs to make 93 on her next test or more. So it could be bigger than 93, but she's got to make at least a 93.